ballistic on 240. I get one. So I got what 32s on it, 70 Aviations, 12x8 props on 24S 5000.
All right. Let's go fly this thing.
It is very.
Mind if I come?
That's fine.
I want to watch it. Bonafide, baby.
It is pretty. It is all shiny. No, it's fine. I don't care. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Okay.
You want to cycle the gear?
Yeah, because when I just be careful. It's kind of weird. Hold it. Okay. They should work this time.
Gear up.
They always work going in.
No, dude. You were there. You saw what happened to mine.
He doesn't have the gear.
I don't have a sequencer.
Oh,
Gear
yeah.
down.
Yeah, then you're fine. You don't have gear noise, you're fine.
Yeah, I got rid of that crap, man. I don't want to deal with it.
So how is it now? How you buy an external?
It's straight through the. I took the sequencer out, and I just used the board that was there.
The board for the gear door.
The board for the gear alone. Because the you know how those work. They're two wires, and then it's not like a servoless retract that has to have the controller.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, the servoless retract should have the controller.
Let me get a little flying in, Frank.
Oh yeah.
I got to take off. Just at least to get it to take off and do a lap.
I love the N number barbecue.
I know you love it.
T.I. barbecue,
No.
baby.
It's okay, man.
What country starts with Tango, India?
Turks and Caicos. Seriously. Turks and Caicos. All right.
China cleared.
Let's see what happens with this thing.
Bonafide plane.
Wow, there's no wind right now. All right.
Eh,
Barely. There's like nothing. So it must be a dust devil coming through. Maybe I should wait.
Just take off and the plane rolls.
Gear up.
Yeah, baby. You need help with trims?
No, I'm good. Just needs a little right. A lot of right.
Yeah, I could do it.
I got it. I'm good. It's not unbearable.
Burner looks good too. That doesn't even sound bad for not being balanced. I think it's good enough.
You don't want to see the frickin' cheater hole. I've lost so many veins out of it.
Oh, I saw it.
All right. Huh?
Good.
Yeah, it does.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, try to drop down 100 bucks.
Looks like it needs a little bit of a mix. Yeah. Just a little bit, not much. Whoa! Sorry, Frank. I gotta get some separation. Dust devil. We got a dust devil coming through.
Barman, where are you?
There it is right there. I love the sound it makes.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Is that wide open?
Yeah.
Barman!
Flies pretty scale. Hey Frank, you realize I'm flying a jet, right? You realize I'm flying a jet, right? You keep getting in the damn way. Yes! Every other pass, my God. No, I'm coming in.
He wants to make the
Fuck, I can't do anything with that frickin' twatter everywhere. I'm gonna come into land. And then you can do what you want.
Gear down.
Good, Ray.
Braking.
Okay, coming in.
1 minute over. Braking.
I don't know. Who cares? I went to the mall. Should probably go.
All right, I'm digging it.
That's good, Ray. Uniac F4 is gonna go up
Braking.
next.
Normal mode.
All right, guys, I'm clear.
I'm on the you're right
That thing's cool. I like it. I don't like that
I'm
it
coming out.
got a big crack from where the gear is.